Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Argos gift card online. Let's go. Open Argos website. Gift cards. Can I use an Argos gift card or a gift card online? If your card starts with 10000 or 98260 and has a 4-digit security PIN, then you can use it online or in store. That's it. Now you know how to use Argos gift card online. If I helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.